Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to lock apps on your iPhones in 2020. As you guys see right here, my Photos app has like a little lock beside it. If you just go ahead and click on it, it'll say time limit. You've reached your time limit on Photos. So this app is essentially locked. If I want to ask for more time, I can go ahead and ask for more time, or I can click OK. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do this, so stay tuned. So to set up the lock on any of your applications, all you have to do is go over to your settings on your iPhone, and then you want to scroll down and go to Screen Time. Once you're on Screen Time, you'll see a couple options here. You want to click on App Limits. Once you click on App Limits, you want to click on Add Limit. Put your Screen Time passcode in. If you don't have one, that's fine. I do, so I'll just put mine in. Now you have to choose the app that you want to lock. You can search for it at the top, or you can go through categories if you would like to, or you could just put a limit on an entire category, totally up to you. So I'm just going to search for Photos in mine right here. And then click on the Photos app and click on Add. Once you have that added, you'll see that it has one app right there. You can click on Next, and then you'll see the Photos app right here. Now, you want to set up the time limit that you want to put on the application, or if you just want to lock right away, you can just put 1 minute, totally up to you. And then you want to make sure that you have the block at end of limit on here as well. That's enabled, because this will allow the application to be blocked once the time limit expires, which will then mean the application is locked until you put your passcode in. So you just want to make sure you have the block at end of limit on as well. And then we'll go ahead and set 1 minute so I can show you guys that everything's working. You could obviously click on customize days as well, and you could click on certain days that you want it to be locked if you would like that as well. So it's very, very customizable. You guys can go through the settings for your own personal needs. Otherwise, I'm just going to click on Add at the very top here, and then this limit has been set up. We could then exit out of here and go back over to our main page here, and we'll see, since I've already used my 1 minute today, it is going to automatically be locked for me. It'll say time limit, you've reached your limit on Photos. If I want to get back into Photos and let myself in, I can just click on Ask for more time, and then I could either choose 1 more minute, or I could enter my Screen Time passcode and then extend it even longer. So I'll go ahead and put my Screen Time passcode in here. And then here I can either approve it for 15 more minutes, approve it for an hour, or approve it all day. So in this case, I'll click on Approve All Day, just so I'm able to get back in my Photos. And as you see, I'm back in my Photos. Very, very easy to set up. Anyhow, this works for any application. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to lock your apps on your iPhones. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.